Great. The object of this contraption is a friend of mine's dog broke loose and he had to go back to Virginia. So we've been trying all week to fix something that would secure her. If she's around and she comes in, it will work, because in fact last night a cat came in and it worked fine. This is an electric door striker. It keeps this door from closing during a windstorm, but activates when the rest of the stuff activates inside. This cord pulls and closes the door, right? I think it's not activated now, but we got a switch on the door. When the door slams from the drill motor, it shuts the drill motor off, keep it from burning up. And also a set of contacts that would ring a siren as long as the passive's engaged to signal us down the house. If the animal lays down, the siren will cease to operate. If the animal moves around again, the siren will blow. So we'll see if the situation works all right. The passive is not activated. I'll walk across presumably where she would get the food, and this is what would happen. Fix this back up, right? I guess what you have to do here is move this. Get it out here. And then, before you could go in, to get the cat, right? You gotta take that nail. You gotta put it in there, right? And hammer it in a little bit, right? Okay. Once it's hammered in, don't worry about the cat. First reset this, right? Then you can come in, right? Come on. Get the cat.
And then take the nail back out, right?
Cat out, go outside, wait a minute or so, then take the nail back out. That's set up again. Got it?